Hey everybody, it's Dave from Saddle House Columbus, and I'm here at the title company once again, and we're very pleased and happy to be buying another property. And this is Nick, and we're buying Nick's property today. And Nick, this is a property that you rehabbed and you were going to make a rental, is that correct?
Correct.
You're going to make this a rental, but your original plan is you just want to flip properties.
Absolutely.
Is that kind of what it went down?
Yeah.
So you learned through this process that you maybe didn't want to be a landlord, right?
Right.
And you called us. How did you find us?
I saw a sign, one of you guys' advertisements, and I called you. And I think a day or two later, I got a call back. Gave you guys some information. I think you did some research on your end. Then a couple more days later passed, and you called, made an offer on the phone, and we kind of went from there.
So from the day that we originally contacted you until today, how much time has passed? How quickly did we close this transaction?
I think we spoke the day before you made the offer. I believe that was on the 30th of January. You made an offer on the 31st, and now it is the February 10th, so about 11 days ago.
11 days. There's some weekends in there as well. So we pride ourselves on moving really quickly, and if you have a house that you want to sell fast to a true cash buyer, we've been buying homes in and around Columbus for a long time, and we'd love the opportunity to hopefully work with you as well. If somebody has a house they want to sell quickly, would you recommend what we do?
Absolutely.
Excellent. Well, it's been nice doing business with you.
Dave, I really appreciate it.
All right, and we'll see you on the next video.